Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Live 52 tablet, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Himalaya Wellness Company. Live 52 tablet. Uses. Live 52 tablet is used to support and protect liver function. It helps protect the liver from toxins, improves appetite, aids digestion, and supports recovery from liver damage caused by alcohol, certain medicines, or infections such as hepatitis. Its herbal ingredients, including caper bush, contribute to its liver protective action. Benefits. Live 52 tablet supports overall liver health by promoting detoxification and reducing inflammation in liver cells. It helps accelerate the regeneration of damaged liver cells, which is essential for maintaining proper liver function. Regular use, as advised by a doctor, can help improve liver performance and general well-being. Side effects. Live 52 tablet is generally well tolerated. However, some people may experience mild gastrointestinal discomfort such as stomach upset, nausea, or diarrhea. If these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. Live 52 tablets are usually taken in doses of 2 to 3 tablets, 2 to 3 times a day, ideally after meals to minimize stomach discomfort. For children, 1 to 2 tablets 3 times daily is generally recommended. Always follow your doctor's advice and do not exceed the recommended dosage. How it works. Live 52 tablet works by reducing oxidative stress in liver cells and helping lower elevated liver enzymes such as AST and ALT. It also helps manage alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver conditions. By protecting liver cells from damage and supporting their regeneration, it helps maintain healthy liver function.